Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to remove and replace front disc rotor on Mercedes W204 C-Class from 2008 to 2015 model. So if you're wondering how to remove or replace the disc rotors right here, if yours are wore out, we'll show you how to do that. We have a video how to do a complete brake job with new parts, how to compress the piston, all that stuff as well on the channel, and the whole car will be taken apart. We have more than 200 videos, so subscribe. If you need anything, let us know, we'll try to have it for you. So let's start on it now. Okay, don't forget to apply the emergency brake on. Next thing, we need to get our tire chokes, and since we'll be working on the left side, we'll place them on the rear right. Okay, we'll be working on front left. Usually you do a diagonal thing. The more tire chokes you install, the better, to be honest with you. Be safe. Okay, so let's start with the next step. So next, also the car has to be in park. We're going to take the lug bolts loose now. Okay, next we'll need to go get a jack and a jack stand. Always use a jack stand, not just a jack itself. So we're going to jack it up now. This is low profile fast pumping jack. We'll have all the tools that we use in the description of the video below. So if you need anything, just read below the video, the description, and you'll be able to find the links. Okay, perfect. And why we install the tire chokes on the opposite side? Because the rear tire almost came off the ground now, as you can see. So we'll need to go with the jack stand right there. Okay, just go a little bit more. Perfect. Next we'll take the tire off the wheel. Be careful not to drop on you on the last bolt because it's pretty heavy wheel. Okay, and last we're going to leave this thing under the car. And why we do that? If something happens, the jack falls, the jack stand doesn't hold good, we have the wheel to catch the car so it doesn't fall on us. Better damage the wheel than kill you. We already made a few videos about taking the replacing a strut, replacing control arm, so quite a few videos coming on this one. Next we need to get a T30. Okay, start looking bit, the torque's 30, and we need to remove that bolt right there. Okay, if this one, sometimes they might be tight or have rust, you have to tap on them with a hammer and they'll come off. Okay, just like that. Next thing, we're going to turn the steering wheel to the left because we'll have to actually remove the brake caliper. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to compress, okay, the caliper a little bit, the piston in the caliper. So when we pull it out, okay, to replace the hub, because we'll have to remove the rotor as well. We'll be able to install it later on the same rotor. If you install new rotor after that, you have to compress the piston quite a bit. And we'll have a compressor too. We have the video on our channel, and we have a video how to do that as well, how to put new brake pads, okay, and new caliper. So here we're going to get between the brake pad and the rotor and just pry a little bit until it gets loose like that. So right here now we're going to remove the bracket that holds the caliper with an 18mm socket and a big brake over bar. Okay, those are pretty tight. So different models will have different torque specs because this one is the sport suspension, so it might be a little bit more. Okay, and there is one more on the bottom side right there. So we need to get them loose. And it's important to have a zip tie or a wire when you remove the caliper to tie it to the strut so it's not hanging on the brake line, because this is rubber brake line. Heavy brake caliper can cause damage later. And you don't want to lose your brakes later. Okay, this is the bolt. It has thread locker on them. You can see that blue thing. Okay, let me get it right here. This is thread locker, so you need to stop. they have thread lockers, so they cannot get loose from vibrations and your caliper come off the wheel. Okay, so we're going to get our wire here now. Okay, so we can remove it and tie it for the strut right here, for the spring. So that way it's not hanging on the brake line. Okay, perfect. Next you can remove the brake roller. Okay, right here you can see this is the brake roller. That's how you remove it. So that's the whole procedure. You put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want a more detailed video, we'll have a whole video how to do a complete brake job on this model, so you know what to expect with torque specs and everything else. So keep watching, guys. More videos coming. Thank you for watching and see you next time.